Hey everybody, today we are unboxing and assembling this amazing 6U network cabinet by MT-VIKI. As we unbox, let's do an inventory. We have the bottom panel, instructions, the side panel, the shelf, the front door, as well as the back panel, the corner brackets, the second side panel, the top panel, and then we have 2 bags of hardware. Let's go ahead and get to assembly. Tools required for this project are a Phillips screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head and your M5 screws. First step is to remove the doors from your side panels. Then you're going to take a mounting profile and aim for the middle hole. You're going to repeat this process to the other side. Then you're going to take 4 M5 screws and attach each one of your mounting profiles. Once you've accomplished this task, we're going to repeat it to your other side panel. Remove the door, place your mounting profile on each side, and then attach it using 4 M5 screws. Our next step is to connect our 2 side panels to the bottom and top panels of our cabinet. Starting with the bottom panel, we're going to take one of our side panels and slide it into the notches as seen. Ensure that you have 2 screw holes to the rear of each one of your side panels for later connectivity. Next, we're going to take our top panel and we're going to place it on top of our 2 side panels. Once we get this popped into place, we'll be taking 4 M5 screws, placing 1 in each one of our 4 corners. Once we get all 4 of these fastened, we will be flipping our cabinet over and doing the same to the bottom side. 1 M5 screw to each one of the 4 corners. Next, we will be flipping our cabinet over to the front and placing 8 screws in each one of these 8 holes as seen. Our next step is to attach the back panel to the cabinet. Flip your cabinet over to the back, take your back panel, place it in position, ensure that your holes line up, and then we'll be attaching it with 4 M5 screws, 1 to each one of the 4 corners. Step 4 is connecting the front door and the 2 side panels. Flip your cabinet over to the front, take your door, make sure it's facing the appropriate way. You have a latch in here that will help you connect it to the top of your cabinet. You can push that in. Next, we can move on to our lock. You're going to unscrew the screw out of the back of the lock, remove the nut and the washer. The nut and the washer will go on the back side of the lock. So you're going to place your lock into the cabinet, tighten your nut to the lock, and then we can put our clasp on using the Phillips screw. Once you get it in place, it should lock into place. Next, we can move on to our side panels. You're first going to remove the rubber grommet, and you're going to attach your lock to this hole. Once that's finished, you can pop your side panel into place. I'm going to repeat the process for the other side. And now you have a nice finished cabinet.